it's Mickey from AwesomeCraftyGamer, and today I thought it would be fun to show you guys how to customize your very own doll. Also, I was recording this at night, so this is a voiceover, so mistakes will be present. Now then, let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a doll you would like to customize. In this video, I will be teaching you one way how to customize your doll's hair. The second thing you'll need for customizing your doll is a towel or something that will cover your doll's body and clothes from getting stained by the eyeshadow. I used a cut-up piece of fabric from an old shirt. Later on, I reused the fabric for clothing. Next, you will need a doll hairbrush. Lastly, you will need eyeshadow. I will be using the color brown, but you can use the color of your choice. You will also need an eyeshadow brush to apply the eyeshadow onto the doll's hair. Before applying any eyeshadow to your doll's hair, I would recommend covering your workspace with paper towels or something that can be disposed of because of the powder the eyeshadow leaves. After covering your workspace, it would be a good idea to cover the surface of your doll's body and clothes to prevent any eyeshadow from staining. It would be better for you to just take off the clothes instead of risking the doll's clothes. The reason I didn't do this was because I didn't want my doll to be naked on the camera. For a better angle, I set up another camera to the right side to catch footage that my other camera couldn't record. The first thing you want to do is brush your doll's hair thoroughly. Before coloring the doll's hair, it would be a good idea to divide the doll's hair into 4 parts like shown. After dividing the doll's hair into 4 parts, you can finally start coloring the doll's hair with eyeshadow. To do this, grab the eyeshadow brush and apply the eyeshadow gently to the doll's hair. After applying the eyeshadow, brush the doll's hair to let the color seep into the hair. Keep continuing this process until the first section of hair is completely colored.
And what you want to do is after each time you apply it, you just want to brush it in there. And your brush will get a little dirty, like eyeshadow filled. But what you should do is, if you ever want to brush your doll's hair again, you should just use the same brush so you don't get other doll's hair dirty and you don't get other brushes dirty. So I was moving the camera around a little bit and I found that this would be a better angle to show you guys. So I won't be having to use the camera over there anymore. And what happened was, I'll show you, that it did stain. So you really want paper towels or something that you don't care about underneath, or else the eyeshadow will stain. And she does have eyeshadow on her face, but what I'm gonna, that could just be her blush actually. No, that's definitely not it. So I have a wet towel. I'm going to see if it'll take off. I mean, it looks a little better. What you could do is just get some soap though. So I just finished coloring in her hair. Oh wait, you actually can see it. The difference here is that this is more brown than, like, I don't know if you can see it correctly, but until the pictures come out, you can't really see the dyed or the colored in hair, but it definitely is brown. And then this is like golden, and then this is just brown. As you can see here, she got eyeshadow on her face, but I'll get that off. Then once you have that, you just want to take off the next part and do the next. You want to do the next section of hair. So you want to take this section, the the next section of hair, if I can actually get it off. And then just brush it out, and then do the same thing again. So what I figured out is that if you have a baby wipe or just makeup remover, that will take off the surface you used. And if you get it on like a, what's it called, fabric, then you can just wash the fabric and then it'll come out. And then same thing for the doll's face. I got like a baby wipe. You could use a makeup remover wipe if you have one. And it takes off the eyeshadow, actually. It worked. So I just kept putting on eyeshadow on, and it's making it a nice brown. But the thing I noticed is, these rubber bands, they used to be clear. And now they are the same color as the eyeshadow. They're like a, I don't know, sparkly brown or something like that. So the eyeshadow gets everywhere, and I mean everywhere, and so this might have not been the best idea, but it worked well for the hair. And the thing is, you probably don't want to wash the doll's hair because it will, take off all your hard work of eyeshadow. But then another thing I wanted to show you guys was, here, we'll do this streak of hair that doesn't look like it got enough. But yeah, it stains everything that comes in contact with it, the eyeshadow. It stained the brush a little bit. It has like brown on the brush. And so if I just brush the doll's hair and grab the eyeshadow brush that you used, and instead of just doing what I was doing, I was going like that, you want to press down on the streak and go up or down, whichever direction, and just spread it on like that and then just brush it out, and that will get the color on faster and more efficiently. So get your eyeshadow, get your streak, and press down on it, and then rub, kind of, then brush. And repeat this process to everything on the doll until your doll's hair is colored. In the end, everything actually did work out, and although it's not a perfect brown, it came out a little like strawberry blondish, which is fine. Right now I have the flash on, so you can't see it at all, but I'll make sure to show you the actual side-by-side pictures, and maybe the thumbnail. Actually, yeah, that's a good idea, the thumbnail. I'll have the side-by-side pictures of her hair, her clothes, and everything. But thank you for watching this